Hi there, I'm going to show you how to create an account for Pilot Car Invoice Manager. First, go to their website at pilotcarinvoicemanager.com. You can see they have the login info here. You don't have that yet, so let's create an account. So we'll do that by clicking on the Need an Account link down here on the bottom. So let's create our account. Company name. Company name is very important. It's used for invoice creation, so make sure you get that spelled correctly. Let's create a company here. We'll call it Pilot Sub Company. First name, let's call him Billy. Last name, Bob. Email, billybob2000@gmail.com. Let's make his username Billy-Bob. Password, what? How about I love cars 1980. Let's confirm that. I love cars 1980. Okay, I'm going to submit that. Do I want to save now? Okay, so I should be able to log in now. Let's see, what did we say it was? It was Billy Bob, and I love cars 1980. Submit. And I'm in. So I can make updates. As you can see, I can add more information here, and I'll leave that to you. But we are in, and we've created our account. Thank you.